Hey, how you doing? Ryan J here. Fist bump Wednesday, hump day. Recovering alcoholic addict. All right, wanted to shoot a quick video on sobriety chronicles in the sober house. Here's what's happening. Okay, they look at me as a role model of sobriety and this programming. That's cool. They're calling me a senior peer. They're gonna put me in charge of the new house that's opening up next week. So I was thinking about it. I'm like, well, wow, that's quite the honor and quite the responsibility. Now, yes, it's a sober house, so number one priority would be to keep the people sober there. Now, looking at it from my experience, people, and myself included, that have gone through years and years and years worth of addiction and use kind of need to get back to the basics. So that's like self-care, personal development, standards, being self-sufficient. So in that regards, it's kind of a lot of coaching and teaching and training and mentoring of self-mastery. Basic things like maybe, skill set on how to cook proper meals versus just microwaving anything, drinking the right amount of water, self-care, exercise, the diet. There's a lot to this, and I'm looking forward to making a difference in others' lives given this opportunity. So that's kind of cool for me, to help others in their sobriety and with self-mastery, personal development. I'm looking forward to it. Also, and all that is all fine and good, but I'm really, really excited about being an ear to, maybe some days I just have to listen, therefore it maybe give advice if needed, or more importantly, listen and help navigate through personal situations and problems. I'm looking forward to that as well. So short and sweet, or maybe a little bit lengthy. I do appreciate your comments, your likes, your shares. You guys keep me motivated to make more content. Appreciate you. Make it a great day. Drink your water.